Hi all, welcome to Arduino 3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see this mobile app controlled RC car using Arduino and Bluetooth module. Okay, so for this build, I'm using the old build chassis. So you can see the build video. I leave the link in description. You can see as per the instruction I already placed. So I'm just upgrading this to a Bluetooth mobile app controlled one. So these are the BO motors and these are the wheels which are already attached, and it's pretty simple. And this is the wood piece of it's like 14 centimeters, and from here to here it is 7 centimeters, I guess. Yeah, okay, so that's it, this piece. So these instructions are there in the previous build, you can check that, or it's simple, it is 14 by 7 centimeters like that. Okay, so yeah, this is the one, and all motors soldered with the wires, and there is a hole here. Through that hole these wires will come up. That's it. Okay, so these are the BO motors and the chassis is ready now. So for more information please check my old build. I will leave the link in description. Okay, so apart from this you can see what I'm using here. Okay, so this is Arduino UNO. Okay, so this is Arduino UNO, and this is the motor driver. Okay, you can see the motor driver. So only one thing I did here is, you can see the pins, right? Okay, you can see this 0 and 1. Okay, pin, these are soldered to these jumper cables, because this I will connect to the Bluetooth module. Okay, so that is the only soldering part you can see here. Okay, like this you need to solder. Okay, so this is the motor driver. Okay, so these parts links also I'll give you in description. Okay, so this is the motor driver and this is the Bluetooth module. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth module. Okay, yeah, that's it. And for this build, so to power I'm using 3S. Okay, either you use a LiPo battery 3S, or something like this, you get 3S battery, 3 battery case will be there, you can take, because 2S is not enough to run this car. That's why better use only 3S, not 2S. So try to get 3 battery case, so you can use the LiPos here. Okay, 1860 batteries you can use it, or else directly you can use the 3S LiPo battery. Okay, and we need some jumper cables. Okay, and here I'm adding some lights. So front I'll keep white color lights, and back I'll keep red color lights, so that it will indicate like whether it is moving forward or backward, so we can identify by seeing the lights. Okay, so I'm using these white color LEDs for the front and red color for the back. Okay, so because it's a 12 volt, so we need to use the resistor. So I'm using this resistor. Okay, 470. Okay, so I'll give you more information when we are working on this project. Okay, so I'll show you. So these are the basic things, and we also need a switch. So depend on availability, you can use simply this switch, or you can use similar this kind of switch. Okay, so any kind of switch you like, you can use it. Okay, so yeah, so simply we need to mount this, and we will place this one here on top. We'll place this, and we'll give the connection to the wires. Okay, so we'll see that now. So now we need to place this on top of another. So simple, very simple, just like okay. Okay, so now I'll glue this one here like this, so that we can place the motors here. Okay, so as per the diagram you can place it. So this will have total 4, so two connections for this motor, two connections this way. Same way this side. Okay, so now I will mount this one, then I will place all these wires here. Okay, then I'll be back. Okay, so I connected all the motors. Here you can see na, this side motor wires, you can see green and red, that I placed this side, and this side is yellow is green, this side I placed in the same way. This side also I have used different colors so that I can identify the specific motor, positive, negative, like this. Here green color I have given something like a negative, so that it will be easy for identification of the ground. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to connect this cable to Bluetooth module. So yeah, so you take two leads, and here you can see in this, you can see positive and ground. So this you can connect here. This is to power the Bluetooth module. So this you need to connect here on this servo. You can see here, right? See, there is a servo here. Okay, so there you can connect positive, negative. You can see here markings na, plus. So where the plus is there, there you connect this. Where the minus is there, there you need to connect. Okay, this one is to power the Bluetooth module. To receive the signal from this, you need to connect this. So it will be very easy. So here you can see I have soldered the wire on this motor driver. You can see 0 is orange, 1 is yellow. So what you need to do, 0 you need to connect to, so 0 is orange here, so 0 you need to connect to TX in this board. Okay, so let me, so you can see, so here 0 is orange, so that need to connect it to TX. That means this is the TX. Okay, so then pin number 1, here you can see pin 1, number 1 is yellow. Yellow should be connected to RX. That's it. So you can place it with the help of some glue. Okay, so this is how you need to do it. Now we need to look at the LEDs. So yeah. So now we need to attach the LEDs front and back. So for that like this, so the taller one will be positive and this one will be negative. So according to that, what you need to do is, you can't use directly 12 volts to this, that's why you need to use this. Okay, so here you need to attach, solder this to here. Okay, so like that you need to prepare 4. Okay, so for the positive side you need to use the resistor. Okay, so like that you prepare the cable. So I already prepared LEDs. Okay, so like this, so this side cable, so you can try this one here. So this side is negative, so resistor side is positive, so you can check that. So like this. Okay, so like this, two or more, doesn't matter. So white color I will place it front, red I will place it back. Like that you need to prepare total 4 LEDs. Okay, so what resistor you need to use, you can see this picture. So according to the voltage you need to use a specific resistor. For these LEDs I used 470 ohms resistor. So if you are using a different voltage, you need to use a different. So now what I will do, I will just glue these things, front one here, and these wires will go to that particular motor. So this motor where it is connected, there only this positive, negative you need to connect here itself, like this. So positive go to positive, negative will go to negative. Okay, so like that you place white color lights front, red color lights back. So same, each motor one light. So here and here you have a red color light, here and here you have white color light. That's it. Okay. So you need to use a correct resistor based on what voltage you are using. So follow this picture to use a proper resistor. Okay. So I installed all the LEDs both on front side. So you can see here. So here you can see the front white color and back side red color LEDs. Now we need to give a power connection for this board. So for that what I did, I am using the switch, any switch you like, you can. So positive you can connect one side here, positive of one side you can connect here, another side you can connect here, so that this switch will work. So from this the positive should go here. So yeah, so in this is the positive should go here. And see, I'm using the 3S LiPo battery, so that's why I'm using this connector. Okay, so positive one side should go here and the negative will go directly here, so that using the switch I can on off this car. Okay, so battery I can connect directly here. Okay, so to the switch positive will be connected here, one wire will go from here to, so based on this switch where you are adding, like this you can use this. So that will give access, like whether you connect the battery all the time, also you can on off using this switch. Okay, so this will go here, that's it. So then it is ready for programming, and we'll see the programming part. So I'll give it in link so you can download and you can use it. Only thing you need to do is you need to install some libraries. So you can copy this one and search in the libraries. Okay, so just install this one so that it won't give any errors. Okay, so once it is done, just you can say verify this, so it will show you if you have any errors. So you don't have any errors now, so you can see this board is Arduino UNO, and whichever port is connected you can select this, then just directly you can say upload. One thing, when you are uploading this code, make sure you remove the Bluetooth module. Okay, so now we'll see how it is working. Okay, using that mobile app. So you need to download and install mobile app. So we'll see that. So now coding is done, so you can see whether it is working or not. Now let's check whether it is working or not. So I will power this so that you can see, and if it is not, so you can check the switch here. So I place the switch here so that you can off and on, see here. So this will help us to on and off. See, now it is off, on, like this. So once it is powered on, you can see now this LED is blinking. You can see here, right? That is the Bluetooth module. So now we need to install one app, so which I already installed. So you can open that app. See, this is the app. Actually this app from another creator, so code and app from the same creator. So that link I will give you in the description. You can download and install. Once you install this, first what you need to do, you need to enable the Bluetooth. So go here, and once you enable, see, you can see here HC05, so that is the car Bluetooth. So paired with it, click on that. So most of the time the password will be 1234 1234. Okay, so now it is paired. Now you can go to the app So you can go here and you can see here now it's C5. So just click on this. So now it is connected. Now let's check it. So is it working properly or not? See, you can check it. See the white color, you can see that is the front. So only this wheel is rotating properly, rest of the wheels are rotating reverse. So what you need to do is these wires connections you need to reverse, this and this and this you need to reverse, so that everything will be fine. You can check it now. See? When I'm pressing back, you can see the red color light. Yeah, so this wheel is rotating properly. So nothing, just positive negative swap for this wheel and this wheel, then it will be fine. So I will do that, then I'll be back. Okay, so now I adjusted this, so you can see here everything is working fine. You can see front, going front, back, you can see turn, you can see. So I will press like this. You can see. So everything is working fine. Okay, so everything is working fine. So here what I did for this, I just made a small hull kind of thing, means like a cover for this. So if you want to keep it like this, that's fine, or else you can make something like this. You can make something like this, and you can close it, so that looks nice to see. Okay, so you can see with this hull it looks nice. So that's optional. If you want, you can keep it like this, or else leave it like this. That's optional. So you can make hull the way you like. Okay, so this I made it with a fan. Okay, so like this. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like this video, and please subscribe to channel. Okay, so see you in the next build. Thank you.